Hey there friends, I'm back again with another video and today I will teach you about the incredible world of Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful image editing software that is widely used for content marketing. It allows users to create, edit, and enhance images with a wide range of tools and features. Photoshop is essential for content marketing because it can be used to create visually appealing and engaging content that attracts and retains audiences. Here are some of the specific ways that Photoshop can be used for content marketing. First is creating social media graphics. Social media is a powerful platform for content marketing, and visually appealing graphics are essential for grabbing attention and driving engagement. Photoshop can be used to create social media graphics for a variety of platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For example, you can use Photoshop to create eye-catching social media graphics for your blog posts, product announcements, and special offers. Next, we have designing blog posts and infographics. Blog posts and infographics are two of the most popular types of content marketing content. Photoshop can be used to design visually appealing and informative blog posts and infographics that are sure to capture readers' attention. For example, you can use Photoshop to add images, charts, and graphs to your blog post to make them more visually engaging. You can also use Photoshop to create infographics that summarize complex data in a way that is easy to understand. Next is creating product images and mock-ups. Product images and mock-ups are essential for e-commerce businesses. Photoshop can be used to create professional quality product images and mock-ups that will help businesses sell more products. For example, you can use Photoshop to remove the background from a product image or to create a mock-up of a product in a specific setting. Next is retouching and enhancing photos. Photoshop can also be used to retouch and enhance photos for a variety of content marketing purposes. For example, you can use Photoshop to remove blemishes, adjust lighting, and improve the overall composition of a photo. For example, you can use Photoshop to retouch photos of customers or employees to make them look their best. You can also use Photoshop to enhance photos of your products or services to make them more appealing to potential customers. And lastly, creating other types of content marketing materials. Photoshop can also be used to create a variety of other types of content marketing materials such as ebooks, presentations, and email templates. For example, you can use Photoshop to create a visually appealing ebook cover or to create a presentation with engaging visuals. So here are the benefits of using Photoshop for content marketing. You can increase engagement, improve brand awareness, and increase conversions. Overall, Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool that can be used to create visually appealing and engaging content for a variety of content marketing purposes. By using Photoshop, businesses can improve their brand awareness, increase engagement, and drive real results. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching Adobe Photoshop, your content marketing superpower. See you in my next video.